Good evening, Professor Margaret. Zofia Grzegorzewska. April 4th, 2020. I'm sorry, I am running really late, but we had happening today. Had to take my mother to the hospital. She's at the hospital. It's not COVID-19, but she started last night complaining about her stomach, and it just got worse and worse through the day today. So I'm sorry I'm running late. I know it's week 6 and you're not gonna accept this if I'm totally late, but at least I said I need to try. So yes, I think this class was awesome. Thank you for having it, and the topics were very interesting. Social psychology, like I said at the beginning, social psychology was something interesting, and culture and psychology class was as well. I think the topic I really want to talk about is our last topic, because I really think that trying to describe ourselves even from cultural aspects is the hardest thing. To really give ourselves goal evaluation is just the hardest things as it gets. And I think there is as many interpretation of self as many people in this world. I don't think if there are specific, of course, descriptions to each and one of us, and but there is as many as interpretation of self description as many people in this world, I think. What else can we say? I think. And we, of course, try to our best. I tried to identify myself as best I could as a very independent person. As dependent because interdependent because of my personal situation. When I need my family, I need my family to be there for me, to be there for my child, to help me with my child. I try to be very independent in life. I try to really do my best, and really, I never fall under depressions, anxieties. It's not in my vocabulary. From the beginning, when I learned I'm a single mother, I had to roll up my sleeves and work for us, and that came with aches and pains, because my son is a disabled child, he's a special needs child, but he's the hippest kid out there, and from the total damaged kid, amazingly, and he is kid who speaks 2 languages, and he wants to study music. He's very interested in music and he loves it. If anything, I love psychology as a subject, as something that is really interesting, and as many concepts of psychology I can learn about. We always learn something new. We can discover. We can put our 5 cents there, and try to do our best with it. Also, I'm sorry, I'm just a little bit drifted away with my mind. So, really want to thank you, Professor. I know this is too short, and have not talked about many subjects. Kind of could not prepare here, but at least I did something. Thank you very much, Professor. It was a pleasure to be in the class. hopefully you can we're gonna meet again. Fine, maybe. Well, thank you. Have a good night. I just cannot forget the one of the aspects when I did my test for intelligence. I just can't get over it. That was interesting, but yeah, that's I came out that I'm not so very intelligent. But thank you very much, Professor. Have a good night. Thank you for class. Stay safe, stay healthy, and well, have a good night.